If you want to save some money and do your nails at home, I suggest you check this tool out. And thanks to the brand for sending it so I could share my feedback. So this is the Cordless electric nail drill, and it works really well for both manicures and pedicures. It handles gel and acrylic removal, shaping, buffing, and cuticle cleanup without feeling too aggressive. It comes with multiple drill bits and sanding bands, so you can easily switch depending on what you're working on. The speed is adjustable, so you can switch between forward and reverse rotation, which is helpful for both left and right-handed use. The cordless design is super convenient. The battery lasts for hours. It charges with USB-C, and the LED display shows the speed and battery level while you're using it. It also runs quietly with minimal vibration, and it doesn't heat up, which makes it comfortable for longer nail sessions. Everything stores neatly in the little bag that comes with it, so all the bits and accessories stay organized in one place.